Now we are going to install WordPress on a domain I already own. So in the Add New Website section of SiteGround, we're going to come down and choose Existing Domain because this is a domain I already own. So we'll click that and enter the URL, and I'll just edit that out. So we've just got the web address there. Click Continue. This is just saying it's not registered in your SiteGround account yet. That's absolutely fine. So we'll click Continue. And we just want to start a new website. So we'll click there. We want WordPress, so I'll select WordPress. Now I need to just fill in the details here. So I'm just going to put in email, and we're going to choose a password, and then we'll click Continue. And then finally finish. So this will just take a few seconds, usually, sometimes longer, but usually just a few seconds to go ahead and create the site. And there we go. And if I bring the website over here, that is what has just been installed. So we're all ready now to go in and log into the back end of WordPress, start building our site out.